Hello, people. Hope you guys are okay. Let me actually turn the lo-fi thing down. It's actually a little bit loud. Yeah, I hope everyone had a good week last week. For me, I mean, I sort of took half the week off because I was a little occupied, a little busy with a few things to do with the trading floor and stuff. So we had our open day and bits, and it was manic, but it was fun. It was really fun, to be fair. And yeah, it went well. I think we had about, yeah, JJ was there, Hemo was there, Tux was there. I always forget the other guy that you brought, JJ. Always forget his name. He was there as well. Tobias, whatever it is. Yeah, that one. Hemo won a 100k account. There you go. Plus 100k account though, so at least I have that to fail now. There you go. One loss and one break even on gold was all I had last week. I mean, yeah, we went over that on Thursday, didn't we? That loss you took was a little bit unfortunate. You took, this was the level, and you took the buy from here. What's funny is JJ hit take profit, Hemo hit stop loss, which is, yeah, it's a little bit of a tough one. I think the fib, wait, which, oh, that was a, no, ignore that fib. We had that fib from there to, no, I'm being silly. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, I didn't really like that anyway. That was the fib, and that made you zone 78 pips. Oh yeah, you had a trend line, that's what you had. Okay, that's not the trend line. 1 second. We had that to that. Okay, so yeah, that's fair. That is completely fair. Depending on how you drew your trend line, because that to me, what you've got the level here, which means you would have entered at the level trend line. Let's say you entered at level. You had what, 60? Oh shit, maybe 60 on gold. Yeah, so you wouldn't have had 50. Oh shit, okay, I see. Okay, so it would have been very, very tight. Yeah, oh, you had 75. So let me put that on there. 75. So you must have entered fairly high, because I don't know where you had your trend line. I'm guessing you had this to this. Literally stopped you. Yeah, it stopped you by like, I don't know. Anyway, but yeah, that one was just unfortunate. Is what it is. Apart from that, there was also EA, which I hope majority of you took, please. How many of you guys took EA? Or EN, GN, GA? Any of them? How many people took it? Yeah, Wayfam. Joe missed it. Lytix took it. Yeah, that's fair, JJ. I talked myself out of EA. Okay, so I mean, at least everyone acknowledged it. So, why did you talk yourself out of it, Hemo? And Joe, how did you miss it? Joe, did you miss it as in you didn't take it, or it missed your entry? Only saw it after work. Okay, that's fair. Yeah. I didn't like that it's been in a small range. As in, yeah. It was beautiful. So yeah, this worked an absolute treat, like bang on. I had a 40 stop loss because 40 still gave me 27 above the level and 16 above the top confidence, which that's fine because we had alignment as well. I didn't take it because I can't lie, it tapped what, Thursday night? Yeah. Well, Friday morning technically. But I got back from the open day and I just kipped out. I was like, yeah, I'm not even looking at the markets. I can't be asked. So yeah, beautiful trade. And we also had, obviously that was level plus both the EMAs. So, oh shoot, you bloody Throp. You want me to go through the journal really quickly? Okay. Really, yeah, it was like a 4 AM hit. So the journal, I'm not going to go through everything. I'll just go how to put it in. It'll be really quick. It looks confusing, but trust me, it's not. This is all this you can ignore. The only thing you need to do is this stuff here. Okay. So all you do is input your date for the trade. There. You input the trade. It's GU. These are your confluences, as you can see here. So you put like it was a level with a 38 fib and it had a trend line. Yeah. This automatically, I guess you can ignore this as well. But obviously you have tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. We'll ignore that for now anyway. Did you catch it or did you miss it? If you missed it, how much did you miss it by? Did it miss you by 2 pips? Did it miss you by 5 pips? Or if you caught it, how much drawdown did it do? Did it do 5 drawdown? Did it do 27 drawdown? What was your take profit and stop loss? It was 40. And did it hit? Yes. And what was the max move it did? So even though it only did 40 take profit, did it end up doing 270 pips? So you put 270. Here's the link to the trading view, so you can actually go back and you can see the trade. As you can see, that one missed, and it missed by 6. And then here's the lesson. So like, what did you learn from the trade? Why do you take the trade? And then when it comes to actual trades, so your journal and forward testing, this is where you can calculate this little section here, percentage risk, take profit, and take profit hit. This basically calculates your actual equity curve. That one's not very good on forward testing. The actual equity curve compared to the one-to-one equity curve. So obviously, even though it might hit one-to-one, some of your trades you might close early. Okay, this is just completely right. I wondered if that data was real then. So obviously, even though it hits, yeah, one-to-one, like I just said, you might close at break even because of news, or you might, I don't know, for some reason you have a bigger take profit, or I don't know. So basically, and obviously your risk can change as well. So you can go 2% on one trade, then you go 1%, then you go 0.25%. So this is just the details for your actual, the actual trade you take, yeah, you took. And then based on that, obviously it will calculate your actual stats. But that's it really. You don't even need to do that part if you don't want that. It doesn't really do much. It just does the actual equity curve. So you can compare it to what you should have done compared to what you actually did. So it's really basic, and then it gives you all the stats. But for now, you can ignore all the stats. But trust me, if you do record this data, long term, you will thank yourself, because all these stats here will become very, 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 very handy. Yeah? Just let me know if you need any help. All right, let's crack on. So yeah, EA was really nice. Obviously, it had EN at level. I think it was this level it was at, which did it do a pullback? It sort of was at the 4 AM one. Oh no, it is the next level. Yeah, 2 AM. It was this level, which was, yeah, it was this level. It did a pullback. So it did like a 60 pullback. GN had this level, which it ended up breaking. Did it do any sort of a pullback? Yeah, it did that 2 AM. Did like 20 drawdown plus 30. Yeah, not much. And then you had GA, which also did the pullback. It just did a straight 40 pullback. So you had everything at a level, which was nice. Yeah, that's about it. So this week, let's go over some things. What am I looking at? Right, that's taking the piss. There we go. Fuck off. There we go. Okay. Jesus. Fuck. Okay. First news. What do we have for news? Let's see. Monday. Okay, we have a bank calendar. Bank of Canada. Jesus, Leon. Okay. Pretty sure we have the JPY stuff this week, don't we? Yeah, JPY. Okay. That's morning, 12:30 USD, ADP, BOJ, a lot of BOJ. That's gonna be fun. And when it says tentative, by the way, that means we need to go on my FX book and have a look, because normally it'll say like 12 AM, 3 AM, because this means there's multiple releases, or it's meant to mean that it can release, or it's going to be releasing all day. But if I go BOJ policy rate on my FX book, you will see, cute. Am I just being stupid here? There we go. Okay, so that was on Thursday. We'll see. Tuesday, Wednesday. Nope, go away. Go away. Thursday. So it actually tells you the time. 3 a.m., 3 a.m., 5 a.m., 5 a.m. And is there any more during the day? No, that's it. So even though it says tentative, there is actually, it is all 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. Whereas here, it doesn't even tell you the time. So it's a bit weird. I don't know why it does that. Because I'm pretty sure that means it's like... yeah, no, it doesn't even say, never mind. But yeah, it comes out at 3 a.m. So just be aware of that. Don't trade anything to do with JPY. Yeah, okay, and Friday is going to be a bit of carnage. I've tried using my FX book, but I always find myself go, yeah, same. I don't know. This is just... I feel like it's a little bit too much. I'd have to obviously turn off like Amsterdam inflation rate and stuff like that. But still, and it's annoying because this is back to front. It goes previous consensus, actual, and this one goes actual forecast previous. It's back to front, so I can never compare. It's so annoying. It's a pain in the ass, and also the data on here is sometimes different to the data on my FX book. So if we go this Aussie dollar CPI quarter and yearly and trimmed, Wednesday 12:30, you'll see that the data itself is actually different quite often. No, Wednesday. So here, look how much, right, so this has just literally CPI, quarterly, yearly, and trimmed. This one has all that. So here's your here's your inflation quarterly. It's 0.3 consensus, that's what it's the forecast, and 2.9. Whereas here it's 0.3 and 2.3. Yet here it's 0.3 and 2.9. Which, unless it's monthly CPI, which is 2.3. But then you got monthly CPI indicator. No, because that's not monthly, that's quarterly. The yearly is 2.3, which as you can see here, it says 2.9. I don't know, it just doesn't make sense. It's weird. So I don't know, I just check both. That's all. Just check both. But yeah, a bit confusing. Anyway, right, let's get to the markets. So, GJ, we have this zone, which is that the fib? No, I don't know why I drew that. Don't know why I drew that, to be honest. ATR, yes, it was ATR at the time. Okay, so we got that level. We've got this level, which was like the break retest, which I think that's kind of just, I don't know. I think that's kind of a miss, to be honest. I'm probably not going to look at that. These are all the levels I'm looking at now. So you have like this, which is the EMAs. You have this. Is that an accurate fib? Yeah, that's the right fib. We can delete some of these. Yeah, so these are all the levels I'm looking at. That is getting pretty chunky. That's the EMA and level. This one is nice. This one is obviously the fib and a level. This one up here. No, that's 42. I mean, if we have ATR or something, I'm not really trading ATR on a level at the minute, but I'm collecting the data and I may actually do that. And then you have this fib, which is like the more recent weird ass push, which you have the 61 sort of in between. You have the 50, like, I don't know. It's annoying because that is fairly nice. Do we have a trend line? Let's see. I mean, that, no. No. Let's try to do that. Which again, no. No. So yeah, that one I think is a little bit stuck. This could be a nice level if we do end up breaking this high and price continues. Obviously, we pushed up, we come back down, we've done that. If we break up, then yeah, sure, I'll look at that as a level. But currently, obviously, not. So I think that's about it, really. That's valid, that's valid, that's valid. They're all nice trades. This one's really nice with both the EMA and the SMA. But yeah, this one, not too sure. If we see alignment, yeah, sure. Obviously, we need DXY or UJ, AJ, whatever it is, something JPY. See if I see what you are seeing. That's a lot of C's. You need to mark out your levels as well, because I don't know what levels you're looking at. You got the big fib. This one, I don't know how far it is. One sec. Unless I just completely missed that. Oh no, oh yeah, shoot. 18, 16. I hate when it's like there's a gap. I'd rather it be like that. That's so much nicer. I hate when it does this. Because again,
like 20 pips though.
It's 20, did you say?
Yeah, I think it's 20 pips.
Yeah, I mean it's not too bad, because even if you entered like pretty low down with 50, you've still got plenty of room. Yeah, I don't know. I just need to stop being a weirdo. Yeah, no, I think that's fine, because if that's fine, then that technically validates. I mean, not that one, but if you look at this fib, that then validates this one, because that's only 11. Which, yeah, you know, that's completely valid. Yeah, of course it is. Let's say you went 50. Yeah, of course it is. You got a fib and a level. Yeah. So yeah, that's a valid trade as well. Yeah, I'll go for that. Of course it's valid. I'm just being super picky, which I need to stop being. So that makes this valid as well. Okay, right, we got a lot of fucking levels on GJ. Yeah, no, that's true. Okay. This one I'm not as keen. I mean, it's not like we're going to tap this anyway. You still entering bang on psych? No. I'll enter like 2, 3, 4 pips. Between like 2 and 5 pips, I'd say. Depending on what the psych is. The other ones, this one, I don't know what you looking at that wick there as a level. Because personally, I'd look at this. I won't look at that.
Yeah, I'm looking at the higher up one.
Because that, I mean, it's only done 75-ish. I think I'd much rather wait for this, which is obviously way more, like double the size of a level. Personally. I wouldn't really look at that, because again, remember, if you look at this as level, let's say it's done about 70-80, then you've got to look at, that's almost 70-80. That's like 62, that level. So it's only 8 pips difference between that and that. So this is where you got to sort of look at every single level the same. Like this one. That one's like just under 70. But you won't look at that, but then obviously you'd look at that, that's 160. That one's completely valid. So you just got to be, I don't know, that one's 72. So you got to class that as a level if you're classing that as a level. I know obviously it's nicer because it's got the one wick. But again, yeah, a level like, I mean, 78 pips on like GU would be fine, because obviously that's a big move for GU. But yeah, no, I personally wouldn't look at that. I'd see this though. But that's, again, that's preference and what you prefer. Yeah, this SMA with this level. No, that's not SMA. What are your... what your things? You've got the SMA. You don't have the 100 EMA, but you have...
There's the 100 EMA and the 200 EMA.
I'm going crazy. That's with that level. Oh yeah, your 200 is fine. Yeah. Where's your 100? Is that your one? Wait, what? I'm confused.
The grey one's the 100.
Oh shoot, okay. And then what's this one down? Oh, is that trend line? Never mind, ignore me.
the trend line.
Yeah, of course it is, like a straight is. Okay, right, okay, sound. Get you. Okay, yeah, apart from that one top level, all the others, yeah, completely fine. Yeah, I like. Silly question, but how do I add SMA to my indicators? You just type in SMA, and it's this one, moving average simple. And you just double tap that bad boy, change it to 200. Oh god, how do I get rid of that now? Yep. And that's what I use. So 200 SMA and then 100 and a 200 EMA. That's what I use. Yeah, no worries. So yeah, that's GJ. You got a lot of levels. It does look fairly nice, to be honest. That one obviously isn't valid. And then this one again, need like alignment or something with that. 200 SMA. 200 SMA. For GU, we have this buy level, this buy level. This obviously has the SMA, which is nice. This one, it's only 20 pips away, but I mean, this is only 70 pips bloody range, which is annoying as shit. Don't know why I got rid of that. We got that break oh god. Got that break retest. I'm gonna mark it out, like, I'm gonna put it there for now. Any chance you screenshot the GJ and post an analysis or DM it to me? Yeah. There you go. I'll send it in here. There you go. Yeah, so GU, we have that level. Again, that's 100, not too bad. This level was, I mean, technically this level tapped into this level, so, I mean, yeah, technically it is a level, but I wouldn't really take it. For the fib, nothing is really aligning at the minute. So, I mean, technically it's 38. If we did see a break of this and push into this, then I'll take it. It's done, what, 60? Not the best, but yeah. So if we see a break of this level, I'll take that one. Plus you have the 1.31, which is actually pretty damn nice. And then these lower levels, yeah, this is a pain in the ass, this one, because you technically have that, and then you'd have that, which, I don't know. I won't go more than 40. I don't like going like 50 on GU. Just, I mean, at the minute at least. Backtesting, sometimes it was okay to go 50, but 50 fib. Is that what you're saying, 50 fib? I hope so. Let's try a big juicy fuck off fib.
That's all about the 50 self.
Oh, beautiful. Came in clutch. Okay, right. There we go. That's valid. There we go. Beautiful trade. Thanks, Emo. Yep, that's fine. And I guess you got this as the backup, because if we do see a smash of this level, this straight away validates this one, because you have the level, break previous level, plus you have the SMA. So that's a nice backup there. And that gives us a bit of room between these two, because you don't really want your stop loss like being here, and you got the next confluence like 2 pips away. So yeah, that's nice. And I think 40 is, yeah, that's more than enough. Okay, and then take profit kind of lines up with a break retest. So yeah, that's really nice. Wait for a break of these lows, and that'll be good.
Looks like there's a 50 sell fib as well. Don't know what you think about the wick, but on the top.
I'm guessing you talk about this wick here.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I don't like it. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I see where you're coming from. I see why quite a few people are looking at it. I asked Seb about this as well. He said he wouldn't class that as level. Obviously on GJ, I think he would, but...
Why wouldn't he class it as a level?
I didn't ask. So I don't know, but...
It looks like that is a level, but...
Yeah, I know. I think I would. If we saw a break of this, then I definitely would go for that. Yeah, I did see it as level. I don't know, it's a bit of a weird one, but I sort of did see it as level. But if you look on a 4 hour though... Oh no, shit, no, that is fine. Yeah, no, that's actually okay. Because we're looking at on a daily as technically it's done that entire thing, which is one of, I mean, it's not done much difference, to be fair. Yeah, I'll keep it marked out. I think if we do see a break of this, then yeah, I would go for that. Or if we saw alignment, then yeah, maybe. I don't know. Yeah. We'll see with that one. But I think this will be the main interest for this week. Let's see what we want. GBP buys, dollar sells. We need DXY at sell level-ish, which could make perfect sense with this. Breaking this high, tap into that. Looks similar-ish, different distance to GU. Break to low, push to this. DXY, break the high, push to that. I think that could line up perfectly, and then that could go straight to a tier 1 trade. You've got the level, 50 fib, EMA, and then you have alignment as well. So I like that. That's buys. GJ, we've got a shit ton of buys as well. GA. This I don't know really, actually. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. That is fucking gorgeous. Okay, I mean, we have, I reckon, I'm calling it now, if we see continued pound strength, oh, this will be beautiful. I think we're going to have 2 trades on GA this week. Let me just do a little test of fib to see if this lines up. Oh, it fucking does as well. And then what about the most recent push? Not as much. But I reckon if we do see a push and we see that beautiful 61 fib work with the psych level 1.97, we see a retracement down to the break retest with a 23. Oh my god, that could be beautiful. I reckon this week can be good. I actually reckon this week will be really good. Yeah, but currently that break retest obviously not valid for me. It's literally 28 pips away. And it's like, if it closed all the way up here, then yeah, maybe, but it's sort of fucked around halfway. That level is a bit of a weird one now. I don't know, I think that's the nicer level. Obviously, you've still got that technically, but Fib doesn't really have anything. You got a really shitty break retest, which obviously is super messy with that break. If you go on a 4 hour. 4 hour, it doesn't actually look that bad, to be honest, but I don't think I'd go for that. I think I'm just going to wait for that 61, which looks beautiful. So GA sells, alert set, boom. The 50 fib level would end up being split entry. 50 fib level. Oh, this. Oh, yeah. You had that 23, and then you got this level 20 pips below, and you got that SMA creeping in. But if we did push up, then yeah, you'd probably skip that one and go straight for the 61. Yeah. Yeah. GN. Let's have a look at GN. Get rid of these. Again, this will align beautifully with GA if it does play out. With GA high, GN wick, EN level, EA maybe. So you do have everything aligning. GU does look like it's going the other way. GJ has that level just past this, which is that one. So I do think we'll see a lot of choice this week. GN, I don't really see anything with this. If this had a clean break, then yeah, you could go for that. Which, I mean, it's sort of pissed about. No, I wouldn't really look at that as a break of level. So it did draw down, then worked, then broken back above. So no, I wouldn't really class that as break of previous level. So yeah, I don't really see anything for this one. There's nothing really there. Could have a pretty nice break retest if obviously we continue up, so we'll see. You have this level, those one. No, I'm not really gonna really. Nope. Yeah, no. I'm not even considering that. It's 100.
That level with the 100 EMA lines up.
This?
Yeah, with that level.
Is in that break retest.
Yeah.
I think I wouldn't really look at that anymore. The break retest, yeah, was really nice. But I think that's the most recent valid level now. Yeah. Otherwise, you're looking at the break retest. Well, the second tap of the break retest. If anything, you'd be looking at this level now. That's the most recent price action, which I wouldn't really look at. Again, that's only 60 pips. And if you're going for a 50 pip take profit on a 60 pip level, you're asking for a lot there. I think this would be nice. Like going for this, for example, this is 120. I think that's a lot cleaner. But yeah, if this hadn't retested, then yeah, completely valid. Because obviously that's like a 200 pip level. But it's already been retested now. It's worked. So now that's the new level, which obviously only done 63. That's my opinion, at least. What do you think of this level? No, I think that's too soon. Wait, are you saying the fib or? I mean, the fib's valid. Yeah, the fib's completely valid. Depends like how many pips you've got between those levels though. Because again, if you're using a 50 stop loss or even a 40 stop loss, is that then interfering with all the other fibs? I mean, let's say if you did take that, it's not too bad. That's 45. It's not the worst, but I think that's too soon for me personally. No. It has broke by 73. It's closed 47 above, which isn't the nicest. And you've got Sunday market open. Monday morning is normally a bit shit as well. I don't think that's... I mean, again, it depends on your risk tolerance. If you're wanting to go for something like that, go for something like that. But again, you just got to make sure you're consistent with the type of trades you're taking. So you can't take this and then not take like... I mean, this one is almost pretty similar. You can't not take that, but then take GN. So you got to take that as well. It's a bit of a tough one. Because they're both the exact same trade. This one's closed like 10 pips above, 10 pips higher. But if it continues a tiny bit higher, yeah, sure, I like that. EN, you got that level, which done 100. That break retest, which never got retested. This level, I mean, I guess you do have that, which is 97, which is not too bad. But that means you're just getting a little bit cramped up with these levels. And then you've got to cover that because it's only 30 away. You've got the EMA, the SMA, that EMA. You got so much to cover there. Fib. I mean, you're probably going to draw that one. So all the fibs are gone at the minute unless we break this high, which we're most likely going to. But currently, nothing. Does that line up? Pretty sure it does. Nope. That one definitely doesn't. Yeah, so nothing with that fib. So yeah, absolutely nothing here. This break retest, again, light it, because that one's broke by 40. So if you're going to take that, the GA or GN, whichever one it is, you should also be taking this. If the yeah, no, never mind. Okay, I'll let you off. You've got the break retest and psych. There's no fib really, unless you really want to go degen and draw. Yeah, no, never mind. But all I'm saying is you just got to be consistent in the levels you're picking. That's all. So I need some WD-40 on this mic. Listen to that. Don't know if you guys can hear it. It's horrendous. Yeah, nothing on EN. EA, obviously that's worked. Done. Sounds like my joints. That's EA done. Break retest could be nice if we break, but I mean it's not really broken by much. You do have that. You do have like that shitty break retest, which again the break was vile. I don't think I'd be willing to go for that. Again, 4 hour makes it look a little bit nicer, but yeah, I'm not a mega fan. I feel like one of these lines up. Is it this? No, and it's not that one. I mean, that one does line up, but it's not a valid fib. So yeah, I don't really have anything there. You've got the SMA, which is 32 away. Just 1561 sells on EA for me. What? Oh, okay. Yeah. Completely valid. Yeah, I mean, here you have, like, that zone's a little bit 32. What's that? EA 38 sells. I'm guessing that was the one that lined up with this. What, the break retest? Come on, Leon. To be fair, no. Yeah, no, that break retest. Yeah. The break wasn't that bad either. Plus, you have this. Your fib is different again. Looks like there's barely any candles in yours. Yeah, no, that's right. No, your fib's right. There's nothing wrong with your fib. I don't think so, at least. I think it looks fine. It's 20 above the level. I don't know. Oh, you're looking at that. Oh, I thought you were looking at this break retest here. Oh. I mean, yeah, it still is. It's like 28, 25 above the level. Oh, shit. That's just ruined that. Because, yeah, if you did what... I mean, if you wanted to go for this... Yeah, no. You can't. Because you have the SMA level. Then you've also got to cover this bad boy up here. I mean, you could make it really nice. You got to cover it by a bit more. You could make that really nice. 1 to 3, 0.56. That'd be a really nice trade. But I don't know if this is valid, really. I mean, yeah, it is. You got the 1.64 as well. I mean, the psych's not technically a complement, but it is an extra. So you do have the 1.64 psych. You have the SMA. You have the level. Where's GA at? So that is 60 away. So many trades. GA is also aligning with that. But I'd much rather take the GA. 61. Clean trade. I don't have much confidence in my break retest trades unless they're clean as fuck. I mean, yeah, no, that's the same with me, don't worry. I'm the exact same. I need them to be perfect. But that EA does line up with GA. So I think I'd rather obviously take GA. Do I look at EU? No, I don't. Yeah, no, I'll go for it quickly. Yeah, no, that is a nice level, but I'm going to go for GA. They always miss when they have perfect. Yeah, they do. I'll go for EU. EU moves too slow. I don't know any of them from the cartel guys that trade EU either, just because it's so slow. GU moves a little bit nicer. I'd recommend moving to that if you can. Yes. Yeah, I haven't marked this up in a while. Jesus. Okay. So we got that. Got like double level down there. You got that, which did 60 pips. Is that it? Ooh, I mean, these trades, you're going to have pretty damn small stop loss. You do have that, and you have that. They're two valid trades at the minute. Yeah, that 23 is really nice. That's all I have. Oh, good, Lytix. I'll speak to you later, mate. Yeah. 23 is all I have, really. And then obviously this one is a backup with the psych level. But yeah, EU is a bit of a slow mover. Even GU's having a bit of a crunch time at the minute. It's not doing much. My back testing is nice for GU, but currently it's so boring. I only see one trade on gold this week, really. Yeah, we'll go to gold now. You got a weekly break retest at the 0.5. Apart from that, straight back down to the 4 hour. Let's have a look. Let's get rid of that fib for now. You can get rid of that. That is a valid level now. This break retest could be nice. That's a valid level. This could be nice with alignment. So obviously we need gold sells, DXY buys. So this is like, I mean, you can't really count pips, but 100 pips away. So we'd need DXY coming to a buy level. So if DXY push back down to this or this, that could be a valid sell, which I think it's more likely to push to this most recent. I mean, they do look pretty similar, to be fair. Yeah, it needs to push down to this 4 hour low at like 104 and gold push this high and it'd be worth a shot. Or you can go for the break retest, but this could be like one of those double yammies where you grab the sell and then of that you can then catch 38 break retest bump. That could be really nice. If that's if it all works and all fits together perfectly. But yeah, that could be really nice with DXY. I feel like that could line up with DXY, but by tomorrow morning, it won't. The gold moves so fucking fast. I missed this this break retest last Wednesday. Was it last? Well, no, it was the week before. No, I missed that break retest. Yeah, that one. That was the fib from here to there. No, I feel like it was a big fib as well. Can't remember, but anyway, it worked really nicely. But I missed that. So I missed gold and I missed EA last week. It was that level. I took it. You took it away, fam. Beautiful. Worked really nice. Worked really, really nice. But yeah, gold does have break retest potential, this high potential with DXY. Yeah. So I see 1, maybe 2 potential trades. This is going to be awkward. These 2 levels obviously aren't valid unless we break this high and then we have a nice little fib. If not, we might have to see like something else. This is the only one I have, but the zone is 50 pips. Oh yeah, that's a daily. Yeah. That's good. Big break retest. Thanks for running through the journal and taking a look at EU. I'll take advice and change up. Yeah, spend some back testing. Yep. And let me know, literally just tag me or whatever if you have any questions with the journal or whatever it is, and I'll happily help you out. But yeah, that daily gold is beautiful. It's just going to be a bit of a big hold. You're going to have a bit of a juicy stop loss on that. Beautiful. And I think that that ties up everything perfectly. We'll see what happens. Off to watch film and chill. Yep, I'm off to go to the gym and go on a run. Like a 2-hour session. Ugh. I'd much rather be curled up in bed, I can't lie, but oh well. Get the grinding. Right. I'll speak to you guys later. That was a nice little session. And yeah, for the ones who wanna watch the live streams back, now the little live stream thing. You see now mentorship sessions, Sunday market breakdowns, and it has all the links to the breakdowns and all the links to the mentorship sessions, September 11th, 17th, 20th. Those dates are wrong, but yeah, anyway, you can now watch them all back. Yes, so if you do want to watch them, feel free. That 100k getting sorted. I'll DM you right now, Hemo. Oh, I may as well just tell you now. I just need your email, Hemo. Sorted it out today. So if you can send me your email, I'll send it to them, and I'm guessing they'll email you something. Don't know what they'll email you, but they'll email you something.